Hello, and welcome to Malwarebytes How-Tos. Periodic threat detection is accomplished through schedules. Malwarebytes can run automated scans on your endpoints on a schedule that you choose. Scheduled scans can quarantine threats and potentially unwanted programs without manual action. If multiple customers could use the same type of scan, your schedule can span multiple sites. From OneView, click on Schedules. Browse the list to see existing scans, their types, the groups affected, and which sites the schedule is a part of. Select any name to view details, or choose New to create one. Give your scan a descriptive name, like Global Weekly Server Threat Scan. We'll focus on detection scans, but there is an option to run a scan which will update endpoint information in the console. A scheduled scan can run on Windows endpoints, Mac endpoints, Linux endpoints, or all. For each, you have the option to quarantine threats automatically, which will prevent harm without manual intervention. For Macs, you can select whether to treat potentially unwanted programs, PUPs, as malware. Windows and Linux endpoints will automatically follow this setting from the policy instead. For Windows, you have several scan methods available. Threat scans detect the most common threats by scanning conventional locations on an endpoint. We recommend running a threat scan each day. Hyperscans are quick checks for malware. You control the parameters of a custom scan. Depending on what you choose, this may take longer or use more system resources. For this, I will choose a threat scan. Under Schedule Groups, determine the availability. If this is a scheduled scan that you may want to use for multiple sites' endpoints, choose Global, all sites. Otherwise, select the one site it applies to here. I'll choose Global. Then, select which groups should have this scheduled scan. Under Schedule Frequency, set the schedule. This determines how frequently, hourly, daily, or weekly, the scan will run and its starting point. Recovery Options determines if a missed scan will be run immediately after startup. It is recommended to turn this on for workstations and off for servers. Then save. Each site comes with 4 default scans that cover the majority of cases. You may want to customize them or add additional scans. A daily threat scan for all workstations, a daily threat scan for all servers, a weekly custom scan with rootkits disabled to do a deep check on all workstations. You may want this on a weekday as the device must be on to be scanned. A weekly inventory scan applied to all endpoints. This will keep our list of endpoints up to date. The results of scans can be seen in the site's events, detections, and quarantine. Once established, scheduled scans will automatically check and protect your endpoints.